Hello, MAB Elementary. It's Mr. T for a math lesson. This is for you guys who decided to go forward with me and do percent. It's probably an advanced third year math concept. You'll be seeing it as you go up through grammar school. It's important. It's a very practical math. We use it a lot in business and in all stages of life. It's very, very important. So you need to know it. And you guys can handle it because you've had decimal fractions and you've had number fractions. And so you understand that the basic concepts behind percentage. And just to review with you quickly, what I showed you last time is, and we talked about is, percent is a fraction where the denominator is always 100. It's always 100. And it can be expressed this way. 2%, we have a special sign for percent. 2% actually is 2/100ths. So 100% is 100/100ths, which is 1. So 100% means you have all of it, all of something. It's the whole amount. So if I say 100% of the people walking on Market Street in Leesburg today had coats on because the wind was blowing hard, that means all of the people, 100% of the people on Market Street this morning in Leesburg wore a coat and had coats on. So 100% is all, and any number less than 100 is less than all. So let's look at some of these fractions, percentages expressed as a fraction. Remember, it's less than all if it's less than 100. So this is going to be fraction percent worksheet 2. Just so you'll know when you see it as I post it on the Facebook page. So 30% equals 30/100ths. And that equals 3/10. Now this is important because I have to reduce the fraction as small a denominator as I can. So the 30% is 3/100ths, but can 30/100ths be reduced? 30/100ths? Yes, it can. It's 3/10. Give you a couple more examples. Seven percent. 7%, again, a percent is a fraction where 100 is the denominator, so 7/100ths. Now this is a bit advanced, but can 7/100ths be reduced? Is there a common factor? This is for you advanced guys. In 7 and 100 that allows me to reduce that? It cannot be reduced. 7/100ths. So 7% expressed as a fraction is 7/100ths. And I'll give you one more. 200%. Whoa, Mr. T. That's more than 1. That's more than a whole. That's more than all the people on Market Street. It is. 200% expressed as a fraction is 200 over 100. And I can simplify that. I have to simplify that. I have to reduce it. And again, when you're reducing, you're looking for the whole. and the whole in the hundredths is 100. 100 hundredths is one whole, and there are two of them here. So 200 hundredths actually equals 2. So when I say I have 200% of anything, I have twice as much. So if I have 4 gallons of water in my bucket and I say I have 200% of that, then I have 8 gallons. 100% of the 4 gallons would be all of it, 4 gallons. 200% would be 8 gallons. So it's always a percent is always a fraction, whether the denominator is 100. And here's some brain teasers for you to work on as percent worksheet number 2, and I will post that for you. And the answer sheet. Do your best, check your work, figure out where you went wrong, and that'll build your math brain stronger. So this is Mr. T showing you some more stuff on percent. Take care.